Hey family, it's your girl Renee. Woohoo! And today we have a mail call. Yay! Okay, let me just tell you this. This mail call is prompted from Qstead Homestead. Yeah, it's you, Q. You got me in these seed catalogs. This one right here. I got this one. Woohoo! Seed savers that I ordered some seeds out of. And child, you know, when wintertime is when they send you all these catalogs, and then we're just a flipping through them as gardeners, and we're like, oh my goodness, what do I want to get this year that I didn't get last year? And then I'm watching you guys, and so you guys inspire me to buy seeds and other things. So woohoo! Let's get into this mail call. You guys ready for this mail call? All right, you know how we do it over here. It's mail call, it's mail call. Look what I got in the mail today. It's mail call, it's mail call. I'm so happy today. You hear the rattling? We know what that rattling means. We all as gardeners know exactly what that means. So let me pull all these things out of the package. Set this over here. Oh, and I want to tell you at the end of the video, I went to the DT store and I found what I was looking for. Well, I didn't find it. My daughter was gracious enough that when she saw it, she picked me up 2 boxes of it. So, woohoo! All right. So we're going to get into that too. All right, so the reason why I said this video was inspired by Q is because I was watching Q's video, and Q was telling us all the beautiful seeds that she was going to be trying this year and some of the seeds that she purchased. So I said, I've never tried any of those seeds before. I think I might want to try those. So Q, I love you, girl. But you know, sometimes I just have to follow your lead. So the first one, Q brought some her seeds from Seeds and Such. So I've only purchased one other time for Seeds and Such, but this will be my second time. And the first time I purchased them, I think it was like some tomatoes or something. And I was very, very satisfied with the company, their product, and I didn't have any problem with the seeds germinating. And that's the one thing I look forward to is when I am purchasing from a company, I want to have good success with that company, because if they treat me well, then I will tell you guys about them and I will continue to be a loyal customer. So Seeds and Such, you have done me right. So I am recommending you guys to try this company, Seeds and Such. That's what it looks like, because they are fantastic. So the first thing that I ordered that Q said she was interested in trying was the okra rainbow fiesta. Now I've grown okra before and I've had really good success, you know, with the normal, you know, everybody grows the okra, but I've never tried the rainbow fiesta one. So I'm going to try that this year. And then I am going to try. Q was talking about these tomatoes to no end. She was saying how they taste so good. And I think another YouTuber, I think it was Jen, recommended these tomatoes to her, and they were the chocolate sprinkles. Woohoo! So I purchased 2 packages of these chocolate sprinkles. And I'm going to try to, I'm going to put some in my winter jugs, and I'm also going to start them in my little pea pellets. And we're going to see how they do. So wish me luck on those, because I can't wait to try those. And I'm hoping this season, I complain about these little worms every single year, and it's some doggone hornworms. I hope that this season I'm going to put lots of that basil. I think it was Genevieve Genevieve basil. that I had in with my planting of my tomatoes last year, and I think I didn't never saw any hornworms, but I knew that there was something munching because when hornworms eat your tomatoes, they eat until all you see is a stick, the stem of your plants, no leaves, no nothing, no flowers. It's just bare to the stick. So I only saw that one time and I snipped all those off. So I think that basil really helped me. So I'm going to plant them again this season when I do these chocolate sprinkles and any other kind of tomatoes I'm going to be growing this season. And then this is another one that Q was talking about. It was the jambalaya okra. Woohoo! So I'm going to be trying two types of okra, the rainbow fiesta and this jambalaya. And then I'm going to try, it's called the red night pepper. It's like a bell pepper. So I'm going to try that because, this season I'm going in on my bell peppers. I want to grow lots and lots and lots of bell peppers. I have my fingers crossed and I'm hoping the Lord will bless me and give me lots and lots of bell peppers because I'm running low in my stash that I have in my freezer outside. Because when I was having a problem with Bandit the raccoon was coming and taking big bites out of my bell peppers and then slinging them on the ground, which was making me upset a few seasons back. So I figure if I can grow a whole bunch of them, old Bandit can't take a bite out of all of them. Tails may help him, but Tails don't usually mess with my bell peppers. He always likes just to dig. He loves to dig. So fingers crossed on that one too, you guys. Okay, and then Q was talking about these beans. You know which one I'm talking about, Q? These slenderettes, bush beans. Child, let me tell you. When I ordered these beans, I thought they were gonna be in a packet like this. Child, let me show you the size of this package. Oh Lord. I don't know how many beans it says. Oh, it says this package is a half a pound. Look how big this bag is of these beans. I hope they're good, Q, because we're going to be growing out the wazoo over here in Renee's Garden Adventure with these beans, because I'm going to have beans all around my garden. I'm going to have some in the black garden. I'm going to have some in the green garden. I'm going to have some in the red garden, blue garden, even probably some in some pots. But I think since these are bush beans, I think I'm going to take two of the planters over in my red garden, the one that's made from wood. I got this incense over here, right over here, and whew, it is some potent. That's why, it's all up in my nostrils, and that's why you hear me with all this. My voice sounds weird because of that incense, but it smells good though. So I'm going to try to put a whole bunch of these beans in those two planters because, I like green beans. And then seeds and such, they sent me not one, not two, but three free seeds, which I like because normally companies just give you one package of seeds. And these ones are a tomato, Independent Day tomato. The other one is a big red pepper. And then the final one is cucumber. It says a long green cucumber. So I got a tomato, red bell pepper, and a cucumber. All right, seeds and such. You are making me happy, happy, happy. So I just wanted to come on, let you guys see what this mail call was. But let me show you the other thing that I told you I was going to tell you at the end that my daughter got from me. Remember, I was on the hunt, child. We were on the hunt for the AMC popcorn. Well, she went to the DT store and look what she found, you guys. Woohoo! AMC Theater. And it says this flavor was cinnamon butter. So I've already popped this and it tastes okay. I thought it was going to be another flavor. I can't remember what I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be some kind of I don't know if like a butter with not almost like a caramel. That's what I thought it was going to be, like a caramel butter popcorn, but that's okay. The cinnamon butter popcorn was really good. It doesn't have a real pungent or a real strong flavor, but you know, you can taste the cinnamon and you could definitely taste the butter. So if you see these in your DT, go ahead and pick one up. This is the only flavor that they have, but they were $1.25, you guys. DT is trying to move on up with their quality of items that they're starting to incorporate into their store. All right, guys. Well, I just wanted to bring you this mail call, and I also wanted to show you this popcorn. Oh, and it says on the top of here on the box, it says you can save up to $3 on a movie ticket. You know, we all like to save because sometimes those tickets are expensive. Very, very expensive. And on my next video, I'll tell you about the movie that we went to. If you guys have not seen the last Avatar, not Avatar, yeah, Avatar, you're going to love this one. It's a 3-hour movie. I'm just putting it out there. If you go see it, it's 3 hours. Three hours. But you know what? It's a very interesting movie, and it has lots of glitz and glamour and the graphics, and just go see that movie. I don't think you'll be disappointed in that movie, but I'll tell you all about it in another video combined with something else. You know, I'm trying to throw something else in my videos so I can make them a little bit longer for you guys, because you guys have been saying that you've been enjoying the longer versions of my videos, and you guys have been enjoying that they're on Tuesdays and Fridays. Woohoo! See? And I'm very, very thankful to each and every one of you guys that have been hanging in there with me, coming back, watching my videos, showing your girls some love and support. And I am truly, truly blessed to have each and every one of you guys, because without you, my channel could not exist. And plus, I enjoy interacting with you guys. I enjoy watching your videos. I am so inspired by each and every one of you guys. So I am very, very blessed to have you guys as my gardening family. And I've made some really good friends off of this channel, and I am thankful for that friendship. You just don't know. You guys are such a blessing, each and every one of you guys. Not just one, not just two. All of you guys have a special spot in Miss Renee's heart. All right, guys, with that being said, I love you, and I will see you in the next video. Woohoo! Now I'm going to go pop some of this popcorn, and I am going to relax. Okay? All right, guys. Talk to you in the next video. Love you much, and have a fantastic day. And thanks, Q, for making me spend more and more money. But you know what, girl? I'm thankful for you, because you always keep me in the loop. You always let me know what's new out there, and I appreciate you for that too. Because hey, I'm going to try some chocolate sprinkled tomatoes. Woo! I can't wait to pop them in my mouth and see what them chocolate sprinkles are all about. And I'll come back and let you guys know, and I'll take you through the whole growing process. You know, all that I do outside in my garden is because I love sharing everything with you guys. All right, guys, take care. And I'm going in and now, because I can keep on talking and talking and talking to you guys, and we will not get off this video for a very long time. Love you, love you. See you real soon. Take care, you guys.